Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram invite sent problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings, now scroll down to the apps section, and now go to the search and search on Instagram. Okay, next go to the storage. So as you see here, you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't work, maybe try to restart your phone. And if it didn't work again, you can maybe try to clear data. But be careful when you clear data, all your Instagram data will be deleted. This includes databases, settings, accounts, etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.